So in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your smartphone when the password has been forgotten. In the beginning, reboot your smartphone. While rebooting, press and hold power button and volume up button simultaneously until you hear and feel vibration. After vibration, release buttons, and now we will enter recovery mode. Now, select Wipe Data. In order to navigate through this menu, we are going to use volume up, volume down buttons and press power button to confirm. Next, select Wipe All Data. Confirm. And now we have to wait. Thanks to this procedure, the smartphone will be hard reset. Now select reboot, reboot to system, and password should be removed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.